Ever turn your car's temperature knob, and instead of comfortable air, you get only burning hot or freezing cold air? That's usually not your imagination. It could be a faulty blend door actuator. This small hidden motor controls how hot and cold air mix inside your vents. When it goes out of sync, you may notice stuck temperatures, weak airflow, or clicking sounds behind the dash. Welcome back to Car Care Fix, the channel where we make car maintenance simple, smart, and budget-friendly. In this video, I'll show you 4 quick steps to fix it and restore proper heating and cooling. Step 1. Turn off ignition completely. Start by parking your vehicle safely on level ground and setting the parking brake. Now switch the ignition fully off and remove the key. Even when the engine is off, some systems stay partially powered. So wait about 30 to 60 seconds to allow the HVAC module to fully shut down. Think of this like restarting a computer. You want all stored memory clear before beginning calibration. During this time, avoid pressing any climate control buttons or opening doors that may activate accessory mode. Step 2. Turn ignition on and sweep temperature controls. Next, insert the key and turn the ignition to the on position, but don't start the engine. Now slowly move the temperature control from full cold all the way to full hot, then back to full cold again. Move smoothly. Don't snap the knob back and forth. This motion forces the actuator motor to travel through its entire range, helping the system rediscover its mechanical limits. If your vehicle has dual-zone climate control, repeat this process for both sides one at a time. Step 3. Wait for automatic recalibration. Once you've finished sweeping controls, leave the ignition on for another 30 to 60 seconds without touching anything. This is the actual relearn phase. During this time, you may hear faint whirring or clicking sounds from behind the dashboard. That's normal. It means the actuator is recalibrating. Do not start the engine or turn the ignition off too soon. Interrupting this step can cause incorrect calibration values to be stored again. After the waiting period, switch the ignition fully OFF and remove the key. Step 4. Start engine and test the system. Now start the engine normally and turn on the HVAC blower. Slowly adjust the temperature from cold to hot while feeling the air from the vents. The temperature should now change smoothly, without delays or clicking noises. Also test airflow direction and fan speeds to confirm everything responds properly. If the system works normally again, congratulations. Your reset was successful. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel Car Care Fix for more simple car fixes, hidden tricks, and money-saving maintenance guides. Thanks for watching, stay safe on the road, and I'll see you in the next one.